Flutter Roadmap. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your terminal to get started and check the completeness of your Flutter data by typing Flutter Doctor. This command helps ensure that Flutter and its dependencies are properly installed on your system before moving forward. Next, create a new project by typing flutter create road_map. Once the project is generated, type cd road_map to enter the project directory. After that, type code to open the project folder in Visual Studio Code. Inside the editor, open the lib folder, which contains the main code for your Flutter app. Then, open the main.dart file and enter the following program. For the script, you can copy it from the pinned comment below to make sure the code is accurate. Next, remain inside the lib folder and create a new file named second_page.dart. In this file, type the given program exactly as required. Once both files are ready, reopen your terminal and type flutter run to execute the program. The command will build and launch your application. Wait until the process is complete, and your Flutter app will run successfully on the connected device or emulator.